morning, Shravani. How are you?
Sir, good morning. Fine, sir. Thank you. How are you, sir?
Good. Congratulations on your successful completion of your
Thank you,
training.
sir.
Okay. So this is Yogesh here from Quality Department. Now I'm going to take your feedback. Please introduce yourself.
I'm Shravani. I'm from Kurnool, sir. I graduated in 2023 from SV College, Tirupati. So
Okay.
after I did certification course in CMTI on IDM plus BIM, I took
Okay.
hybrid batch. So 2 months I completed online training. After I came here for the practical knowledge and site visit visits, showroom visits. Like.
Okay. So tell me, you attended the sessions. Which are the sessions you attended here?
Yes, sir. I
Lab.
attended Vastu planning, like interior detailing, cutlish process. So I attended in hybrid mode. So I get more detailing into interior and what is cutlish, what is like dimensioning, Vastu planning, everything.
So tell me about the which are the software you learned?
I learned Revit, AutoCAD, and software. This one, sir.